think I'm recording. Um, so this is just an example problem, something you might come across. This is Khan Academy, which I'm trying not to use as far as assignments anymore, but I still feel that there are good resources here that you could benefit from. Okay, so Nadia built a robot to filter air and water efficiently. She expects the robot to filter more than 343 liters of air and water while using less than 49 joules of energy. And so they give us these two equations. I'm going to get some ink. 12A, so 12 times the air, I'm guessing, and 8 times the W, so that's the water, is greater than 343. This represents the number of minutes the robot filters air and water to filter more than 343 liters of air and water. Okay, so 12 times the number of minutes of air and 8 times the number of minutes of water has to be greater than 343. And 3 times the minutes of air plus 4 times the minutes of water has to be less than 49 joules of energy. Okay, so it uses, which I don't know anyone that measures their things in joules of energy. Usually they use amps or watts. Anyway, so it uses 3 joules per minute of air and 4 joules per minute of water. And they want to know if filtering for 20 minutes of air and 15 minutes of water will satisfy that. And the easiest way to figure that out is just to plug it into both equations. So we're going to do 12 times 20 plus 8 times 15 needs to be greater than 343. And then 3 times 20 plus 4 times 15 needs to be less than 49. And so if we plug that in, on the top we get 240 plus 80 plus 120, 240 plus 120. And that gives us 360, so we're good there, right? We surpassed the 343. 3 times 20 is 60. And 4 times 15 is 60 as well. So that's going to be 120. So this one is not going to work. So the robot meets both of Nadia's expectations. No, it doesn't. It uses too much power, energy. The robot filters the expected amount of air and water, but it doesn't use the expected amount of energy. So that one looks right. But let's just check the other ones just to make sure. The robot uses the expected amount of energy. No, it doesn't do that. The robot doesn't meet either. Well, it does. It meets the one. It filters plenty. Okay, so check that. Oh, good, we got it right.